All right, hey you, welcome back. Welcome to Beauty Over 40. So today's video is a collaboration with my Beauty Over 40 girls. This month I actually gave the task to one of the other beauties to come up with a theme for March. So for this month we're going to be creating a look based on spring / Easter looks that can be any range of pastels or Easter themed colors. So definitely make sure you check out all the girls that are participating in this month's collaboration. And of course, I have all their information down below, their YouTube channel and also their Instagram handles. And definitely make sure you show the girls some love. Let them know that I sent you over. Stay tuned for my look.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the collaboration. I decided to go ahead and do my foundation routine on here just because of the eye look that I'm doing. It's very simple. Of course, it's a pastel color because of the collaboration and spring. So it's just going to be something just really simple. So again, this is why I decided to go ahead and do the full foundation routine. We are starting off with toner for the face, and then for the lips we have my lip serum, my lip conditioner that I use. You guys know I love this lip serum. So it's usually the first thing I do when I sit down. This way, lips will be the last thing I do. They'll be nice and hydrated once I'm done with everything. All right, so toner is done. We are going to go in with our serum, Advanced Night Repair. Okay, we use this twice a day. You guys know I use this faithfully. Whoops. You guys know I use this faithfully. Again, it helps with all key signs of aging. Whatever your concerns may be. Fine lines, wrinkles, pores. Ugh, I got a bump over here. Ugh, but it feels so good. I'm going to back that up with my vitamin C serum. I'm currently using this with the Revitalizing Supreme Bright Moisturizer. Both of these products together target dark spots, sunspots on your skin. So I'm currently using them both. I was actually excited I found this little sample in my purse. Because this is one of the products I was talking about in one of my latest videos. Again, these two, this vitamin C serum and this Revitalizing Supreme Bright, is the perfect power couple. Trying to work on some spots on my face, so we're just using that. Using my lash applicator I sell on my website as my spatula. Again, I do not like sticking my fingers in my moisturizers. That's going to just keep everything sanitized and germ free. Okay, so we're going in with our moisturizer. And today I have a busy day, but most Mondays I'm busy. Most Mondays I am busy, but today I have a photo shoot, so I'm prepping for that as well. So now we need our primer, and the primer I've been using again is the Estee Lauder Futurist Aqua Brilliance. Okay, that's how that looks. I've been loving how this looks with the double wear, but I probably used too much. Today I think I'm going to use the Beauty with that. Just to switch it up because I wear double wear all the time because it's my favorite. And then you don't get as much transfer, you know, on your matte. So, but that primer is a hydrating primer. It's good on the skin. All right, so we're going in with the Beauty foundation, and this color is TN1 Brown Sugar. Okay, so that's how that looks. Beauty. It is a little red for me now, but we're gonna work it out. 2 pumps of that with my Morphe angle brush. Okay, and we're just gonna press that into the skin for the best coverage. Press, press, press. Oh, that is a big bump on my chin. Oh, look at that. You know what? I've been eating a lot of sugar. I need to stop. Even though this is red, I feel like it adjusts to my skin. It's weird. It's like oxidation, but backwards. Like rewind. Like how could it, you know, usually when the foundation oxidizes, it gets darker. I feel like this one just adjusts to my skin. Cause really, it's my summer color. This is my summer foundation. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Lancôme Camo Concealer in the color 465. It's my favorite concealer. It covers all. Okay. So I'm also doing a photo shoot today, which I don't know if I'm gonna have it posted by the time you see this video. That is just so ugly. That is just so offensive. All right, as always, we're gonna let our concealer sit, and then we're gonna get into the brows. For the brows, I've been using a brand that I found on TikTok. Young lady, she's very sweet. She's such a sweetheart. But the name of the company is FabLab Beauty Bar, and it is a brow powder. So this is what I've been using on my brows. So we're gonna go in with that. The color of that is medium brown. So I'm splitting this video up as far as filming it because I have a photo shoot today, and in the shoot I'm wearing a dress. And when I do my photo shoots, I like to just have like just a simple face, no color on the eyes. Usually, like if I do, it's like bare minimum, and not very often I do that. But usually it's just a simple face, just my everyday look. The goal is not to take away from what I'm wearing or what I'm modeling, because I've tried it the other way and I just felt like it took away from what I was wearing. And just think, when you see models or ads, like they don't have all that. You know what I mean? Like cut creases and all that. All right, we're gonna go in with my beauty blender. Again, I do have these beauty blenders on my website, and this is my next favorite beauty blender besides the original. But even with the original, like I like it, but I'm not paying $20 for a beauty blender. So I've tried several beauty blenders. I've tried Real Techniques. I've tried so many other ones in this one, and I actually used this one a long time before I actually added it to my website. So it's not just something I just found and started, you know, carrying on my website. I've actually used this particular brand for several years and just recently decided to add it to my website. I can probably say no, like 100% of everything on my website is things I use, things I wear. I have things on my website that I actually use. You know, I don't know if a lot of people can say that for mostly everything on their website. I can say that. I genuinely love the things that are available on my website because I use them beforehand, before I even put them on my website. Okay. So I'm just adding my contour. And again, guys, for my contour, I like to use just a darker foundation. I just use a drugstore one. Blend that in. Go back in with my blender and pull that up to the side of my nose. All right, and now we're just going to blend the contour out. And I'm just tapping that in. I think I heard about a new contour technique. I'm not sure what it is. I just heard someone mention it on one of their channels. I think someone mentioned it on their live, and I just haven't really seen the actual technique. So if you guys know what that technique might be, let me know. Skin looks good besides this right here. I'm definitely going to have to edit that out of my pictures. Contour. All right, we're going in with my favorite loose powder, RCMA. It's good for all skin tones, all undertones. And again, I say I need to order some more. Every time I film, I say this. I say it to myself when I'm not filming. But I love this powder. Love it, love it. I was using that Sasha one a long time, but I like this one better. This no color powder, like it says, it's a no color powder, so it blends in with whatever you're using. To better explain, it just picks up the color you're actually using. We are halfway through, guys. All right, we're gonna go in with a little blush, and my all-time favorite is my Jordana number 2 bronze blush. Okay, I'm gonna use that. Whew. A little bit goes a long way. You guys see I haven't even hit pan on this, and I've been using this for years. All right, so for my highlight, I'm using my favorite highlighting palette, which is the Tarte eyeshadow palette in Rainforest of the Sea volume 3. I love using this for highlight. You guys see this one here, I've hit pan. That one's my favorite. Now that I'm low on that, I've started mixing, like sometimes this one and this one. This one is a little dark and grayish, but I love using this for my eyeshadow, not for my eyeshadow, for my highlight, because it's just so pretty and soft. Gives me the perfect highlight I'm looking for. Stop the video. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and everything for my photo shoot, and then I'll come back and do my eyes over. So I'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys, so I'm back from my photo shoot. I did a photo shoot for Macys, and I took a couple product shots for my earrings and then the rings I sell on my website, sterling silver. Take the lashes off and decide which color we're going to use for our eyes. Okay, pastel Easter shades. I think I'm going to go ahead and use the Silent Killer by Dream Cosmetics. Let's just see what we come up with. I am gonna try. I'm gonna try not to do anything like too dramatic, because I just want this like really simple Easter look. So I can go ahead and film this and get it up for you guys. Still don't know what I want to do. You know what? I'm going to challenge myself, and I'm going to try to stick with just one color and maybe two. We'll see. This purple right here really jumps out to me, so I'm going to use that. We're just going to go ahead with that color in the crease at first. It's actually showing up a little bit darker than what I thought it would. Maybe we can find another purple that's a little bit more lighter than that. We shall look. Like, That's actually like a pastel. You know what? I'm gonna stick with this color. Just do it this way. Okay, I'm just pressing that color on right in, just pressing it in my crease. I know I said I was just gonna do one color, but I want to do something else. So I'm gonna take my yellow eyeliner by LA Girl. Yes, this is LA Girl, and it's one of the Shockwave liners. Okay, I'm gonna just put some of that at the bottom. And I'm going to drag this past my lash line because I want to go in with some eyeshadow just to make that pop a little bit more. That looks crazy. All right, so then we're going to take her other palette. This is the Gemini edition. And the colors in this one they're really pigmented as well. As you guys can see, I have been using that and have not put a dent in it. But I remember the yellow in this, like yellow eyeshadows, they are really funny acting. So if you can find a yellow that's really, that works really good, stick with it. And again, I remembered this yellow was really nice. So I'm going to top this on top of the eyeliner that I use and then drag some down below my lash line. Okay, so we're just going to tap that on there. See how it's just a little bit brighter than that one? Really simple eye, like 2 colors. I know it looks crazy. We're going to get some mascara on the top and bottom lashes, and then some lashes. All right, we're going to put our same lashes back on. All right, guys, so here's my look. Really simple when it comes to the eyes. 2 colors. Purple in my crease, on my lid. Do a little bit of the yellow at the bottom as a pop. You guys know. You know I just wasn't going to do one color, right? Like I said I was, but I always change my mind. But that's okay. Again, really simple look. 2 colors. We can create this look with any 2 colors. One color, you could do the same at the top and the bottom. This is my look. Hope you guys liked it. And if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, follow your girl, LRH Makeup. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.